Hello Choro-Q fans, we have another LeMans racer. I believe this is the car that ran in 1995's 24 Hours of Le Mans, but I might be wrong. I've seen two different paint jobs with this Clarion livery, so, well anyways, let's take a look here. Bought it used, that was the only packaging it came in. Let's take a look. So the casting, I guess, is just a normal, maybe it's a normal R33 because it doesn't quite match the photographs. You know, this has this chin spoiler, so maybe it's just a regular road car casting and they just put this racing livery on it because it's close enough, I guess. At least it's a R33. Alright, let's see. So we have all this nice tampo printing on there. White body. I'm not sure if the whole thing is white. Yeah, I guess the plastic is white, and then they painted this red on top of it. Oh, this is one with a hood, because you can see this pretty horrible gap there. I think they had to do that for it to actually clear. And it's kind of weak, really. They have these weird paper engine stickers. I mean, it is a toy, but I think it would have been better just without the opening feature, because you can clearly tell it's not mating the surfaces properly, so I would just rather have a nicer looking toy than something with a gimmick like that. Alright, well anyways, we got some black paint in all these vents. This grill has a texture in it. There's some fog lights in this. Silver painted headlights. This side's alright. See the fender flares, that's pretty cool. The rear, yeah, there is red paint. It's red on red, so it's hard to see. And then it's got this goofy looking wing. What's going on here? Oh, some sort of putty, I think. Like I said, it was used, so yeah, it had some putty in there. Apparently I didn't get it all off. Alright, two exhaust tips, part of the base. And this is from 2004. Yeah, there you go. It's, well, we're going to take it apart, but we'll see what the inside looks like in a second. Some vents there. I guess that's the whole outside. There's not too much to see on something like this, right? So, I'm going to do, well, I already went and printed my own 3D wheels that are a little more similar to the photographs there. They're actually the same wheels as the Mazda 787. I just didn't feel like, you know, doing some CAD work just for this one car, so alright, you can see the construction inside the body there. The canopy is a separate smoked piece of plastic, and then you can see some little teeth there to help keep the hood in an up position, you know, like ratchets on that, so that's interesting. Okay, so the little motor here has this hook keeping it on. Boy, it doesn't really want to flex at all. Here we go. Alright, got this out of here. Then I gotta pop in my 3D printed motor housing. So now I can put this back together. Okay, screw this. So here are the wheels that I had designed for the Mazda 787. They're very similar looking, you know, they're multi-piece, but you know, these are white, so there's a brake system back there as well. So I'm using this Fix Pro putty to just mount these things. It's not really pretty to look at, but it works really fast, and when you put the car down, you'd never know anyways, so just want to, there you go. So we're going to pull out this thing. So it's sitting next to a ChoroQ R33. There's the top view. I'm gonna pull out an R30. Well, let's go through a couple of Skylines actually. I think this is an R31. Yep. This is by Choro-Q. All these next ones are Choro-Qs. And then I think this is an R32. And all these also have 3D printed wheels, or actually this next one has a Hot Wheels set on it. The Hot Wheels Real Riders. This is one of those Ken Marys. And then this one also has an opening hood, but it's a lot better, the panel gap. But it's just a sticker, so it's kind of weird, right? And that's got to some repainted Hot Wheels Real Riders. Okay, here's a Hakusoka with some Watanabe F8s. This one I didn't use putty. It's literally mounted on the original axle, so this one can actually run with the spring motor. And then the last one is going to be an R34, and it's got some raised TE37s. So, okay. Alright, let's let this guy spin on its own. Well, my Skyline collection is growing, and yeah, I'm glad to get one that actually competed in actual racing. I never knew about this car, you know, this particular livery. I never knew about it, so once again, collecting toys teaches me a little bit of something. I don't know how well this car did in 24 hours at LeMans, because it's not the prototype class, so I was just going to find the info. Alright, well, I will see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching.